kids! Welcome to our phonics learning lesson. Today we're going on an amazing adventure with the ABCs. Are you ready? Let's go! Oh dear, E's for airplane. O-I-R-P-L-A-N-E, airplane. Wow, it soars high in the sky and you pretend to be an airplane. Zoom, zoom. So ball. B-A-L-L, ball. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Let's all pretend to bounce a ball. Boing, 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 boing. O-E-T, cat, meow. So fluffy and playful. Can you meow like a cat? Meow, meow is for dog. O-D-O-G, dog. What boy, your friend? Can you bark like a dog? Woof, woof. Is for elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Look at that big trunk. Let's pretend to be elephants and trumpet. O-P is for frog. F-R-O-G, frog. Ribbit, ribbit, let's hop like a frog. Boing, boing. D is for goat. O-A-T, goat. Munching on grass. Can you say baa like a goat? Baa. H is for horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Galloping so fast. Let's pretend to ride a horse. Giddy up. I is for ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. Yummy and cold. What's your favorite flavor? Say it out loud. Great job, little learners. Guar. G-U-A-R, jaguar. So fast and strong. Let's run like a jaguar. Zoom! K is for kangaroo. Go K-A-N-G-A-R-O, kangaroo. Boing, boing, boing. Let's hop like a kangaroo. L is for lion. L-I-O-N, lion. The king of the jungle. Can you roar like a lion? Roar! M is for monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Let's swing from tree to tree. Nose, we use it to smell. Take a deep breath. Sniff, sniff. O is for octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. 8 wiggly arms. Let's wiggle like an octopus. T is for panda. P-A-N-D-A, panda. Loves to eat big bamboo. Munch, munch. Q is for queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. She wears a shiny crown. Can you wave like a queen? R is for rat. R-A-T, rat. Squeaky and tiny. Squeak, squeak. Arrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. Chirping so sweetly. Tweet, tweet. T is for tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Orange and black stripes. Growl like a tiger. Grr. U is for umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Keeps us dry. Open it up. Open it up. U is for violin. V-I-O-L-I-N, and violin. Plays beautiful music, strum, strum. W-O-L-F, woof, ah woo. A wild howler, can you howl like a wolf? Ah woo, ah woo. X is for xylophone. X-E-yak. So big and furry, let's stomp like a yak. Is for zebra. D-E-B-R-A, zebra. Black and white stripes. Run fast like a zebra. Wow, you did an amazing job learning your ABCs. Keep practicing, and we'll go on another fun learning adventure next time.